How to make $100 a day using neural networks in 2025. 7 proven ways you can do it. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Let's go. Artificial intelligence and neural networks are developing rapidly and are already becoming a stable source of income for thousands of people around the world. In 2025, anyone with internet access and basic AI skills has the opportunity to earn $100 or more per day. Now I'll tell you about tried and true, up-to-date ways you can make that kind of money each day. The first way is creating content using artificial intelligence. Services like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others let you generate articles, add copy, product descriptions, and social media posts in just minutes. How do you make money from this? Open a profile on freelance platforms like Quark or Fiverr and offer services such as writing SEO articles, posts for Telegram and Instagram, or scripts for YouTube. You can earn between $10 and $30 per article. To make $100 a day, you need about 3 to 5 orders daily. The next method is translating and dubbing videos using neural networks. The tools we'll use for dubbing videos are 11 Labs or HeyGen. They allow you to translate and dub videos into other languages with minimal editing. So, how do you make money from this? You need to find clients who need their videos translated. You can find them again through freelance platforms. Create subtitles and voiceovers using artificial intelligence, adding a bit of manual correction. You can also create a YouTube channel with AI dubbed videos. For YouTube channel topics, you can use things like top lists, facts, motivation, and so on. You can make a channel without showing your face, just voiceover and some videos or embedded images. You can earn from $20 per client video. YouTube can bring in $100 or more per day once you get monetized. The next method is selling images and designs created by artificial intelligence. Now, on various platforms like Shutterstock and others, there is a special section for images created by artificial intelligence. You can create these images using services like Midjourney, Leonardo, and so on. There are quite a lot of such services nowadays. Some are paid, and some are conditionally free. At the initial stage, you can use free options, and then, once you start earning, gradually switch to more advanced image generation services to create higher quality and more realistic images. These services allow you to create unique images based on text descriptions. So, how do you make money? You can sell AI designs on platforms like Shutterstock, again, as well as Envato and others. You can create avatars, logos, banners to order, flyers, and various other designs for print and other products that require design. This also includes, for example, product packaging, like coffee packaging and so on. The income from this ranges from $5 to $30 per project. If you have regular sales, then, accordingly, a stable income is guaranteed for you. Creating SaaS and AI-based bots without programming. That is, you can use neural networks to create certain programs, mini-services, and bots that work through Telegram using technologies like Python. All of this can be done with the help of neural networks using ChatGPT. For example, take ChatGPT itself, the service where you can write a prompt like, create a technical specification. And based on this technical specification, in the next prompt, you can write, create a program or, say, a Telegram bot based on this technical specification. And it will basically write the Telegram bot itself along with the code, and on top of that, provide additional instructions on how to install it. In 2025, you can create AI services even without coding skills using platforms like Bubble or Make. So how do you make money? Launch a Telegram bot, whether it's a classifieds board, a resume generator, a study assistant, or something else. Turn it into an app with a subscription, for example, a post generator based on keywords or something similar. You can sell access for anywhere from $10 to $30 a month. So, for example, if you have 10 subscribers to the service you develop with AI, even with that number you can already make about $100 a day. The next way is selling educational materials and courses on artificial intelligence. These days, artificial intelligence is a hot topic, and more people want to learn how to use it. You can make money by teaching people just like yourself. The main thing is to stay one step ahead of your students. So, for example, you learn about a topic, like artificial intelligence. Then you immediately start explaining it, teaching it, and accordingly, you can sell courses on that topic. For instance, you could record a video course on how to make money with ChatGPT, or, for example, a course on video editing using artificial intelligence. Then you can sell these courses on Udemy. You can also create a YouTube channel for these courses, where you'll talk about AI tools, and as a result, people will go from your YouTube channel to, say, the Udemy platform, where they'll buy your courses. You can also create a Telegram channel where you can sell your course through Telegram in the future. Or you can create a landing page. This is a one-page website where you describe what course you're selling, what it includes, reviews, and so on. You can set up advertising for it through Yandex and sell the course to your students. You can also offer PDF guides, checklists, or short templates. For example, you can sell these products through Udemy, Patreon, and so on. If you sell 4 or 5 copies of your course at $20 each, that's already $100 a day. The next method is automated YouTube channels based on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can generate scripts, voiceovers, editing, and even thumbnails. This makes YouTube channels almost completely automated. So, how do you make money from this? You need to choose a specific niche for yourself. For example, history, motivation, technology, news, and so on. Generate videos and publish them regularly. The main thing here is consistency. In other words, the more often you publish videos, the more views your videos get, and the more clients you attract. Next, you monetize your channel and earn money through views and ads. Income in 2 to 4 months can range from $5 to $200 a day, depending, of course, on the number of views. With this method, you shouldn't get carried away, because YouTube currently has very strict algorithms and filters out a large number of channels, issues warnings, and then deletes them. If these channels abuse artificial intelligence, for example, if you create entirely duplicate content, like identical videos that don't really provide any value. The 7th method is AI design and automation for business. Small businesses are interested in automation. You can sell ready-made AI-based solutions or automate processes. What can you offer? Automation, for example, of mailings written with the help of artificial intelligence. Automating mailings includes all kinds of promotional offers, messages sent to an email database, or, for example, SMS campaigns, as well as generating templates for posts and product descriptions. For example, you can generate designs for post templates, say, for social networks like Facebook or Instagram. And with the help of neural networks, you can also create descriptions for products, services, various promotions, and advertising offers. Integrating AI bots for customer support. That is, you can create a bot, again using ChatGPT or another neural network, which will be useful for business. For example, booking a client for a specific date at a barbershop or for some other services. In general, there are many options for Telegram bots that automate business processes, such as helping to schedule clients or create tests like quiz surveys, so the client can choose exactly which services or tasks they need, and at the end, leave a request and contact information so the owner can get in touch with the potential customer or client. Earnings from creating business automations start at $100 per project. Earning $100 a day with neural networks is absolutely possible. The main thing is not to be afraid to start, and most importantly, choose one path and keep improving it. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend, but also a tool for freedom and stable income. If you already have some skills in certain areas, for example, if you're a designer, you can learn a bit about artificial intelligence, get the hang of it, and develop useful things for yourself and your clients. That was the video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.